Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So today we're going to talk about topical authority and topical maps. And for those of you playing at home, these are different from keyword clustering. They are related. So in the ideal world, a topical map will then be converted into keywords and keyword clusters. But still, these should be approached separately. You first want to build your topical map, and then you want, based on that topical map, you want to create your clusters. And in today's video, I'll be showing 4 unique ways of how you can approach this task of topical authority and topical mapping using ChatGPT, using Harpa, using AutoGPT, and whatnot. So stay tuned. So the first prompt that I actually saw in the ZimWriter group is very simple, and it returns very interesting results. And the prompt goes like, write a comprehensive sitemap in list format for a website about, and let's just say, horse accessories. And I'll be using GPT 3.5 for this. And I like this approach a lot, since it literally creates a whole sitemap structure with your homepage, about page, products page, which is then split into saddles, halters, whatever they are, grooming supplies, horse blankets and sheets, riding apparel, horse care, tag accessories, training equipment. Then you have a blog, you have your resources, which is the horse breed guide, glossary of horse tag terms. You have the contact us page, you have the FAQ, terms and conditions, and privacy policy. And I like this one a lot. The result is a very complete understanding of what your site structure should be. So this is not only about keyword clustering, this is about how your website should be. So this is approach number 1. Approach number 2, I teased that in my previous Harper.ai video. And again, guys, if you're having trouble passing the check with Harper AI, and I had the same problem, you just go to settings, you insert your API key, and then problem disappears. So the way to approach this is again through parasitic SEO. So say you have a website in the niche that you're interested in, and let's just use Safer.doc, which used to be my website. You go to one of those free XML sitemap checkers. You press check. This tool finds a sitemap, and it did. So let's just go straight to the sitemap, and we see that we have pages, categories, and posts. We are interested in posts. And then we open up Harpa. So this is a very easy prompt. We just go create a topical map based on the URLs from. And this is basically a prompt that deconstructs or creates a decomposition of our URLs and splits them down into separate categories. So we have URLs under the guide on pet care umbrella, then about understanding your pet's behavior, how dog breeders breed dogs, Halloween costumes, food for hunting dogs, can dogs eat, and then you have specific types of foods. And this is not ideal. I like it. I don't like it as much as the previous example. But if your goal is to deconstruct what your competition is doing, this is a very good way of analyzing the sitemap and the URLs. And I'll just pause this example here. So another way of creating topical authority through topical mapping is again through prompting. And I'll try this prompt with ChatGPT and then with AutoGPT. So the prompt goes, which blog categories should a website about horse accessories cover to achieve topical authority? To achieve topical authority for a website about, you should cover a range of blog topics. And we got a very comprehensive list of topics: horse track equipment, grooming and care, riding apparel, horse health, training and riding techniques, stable management, horse breeds and disciplines, and this is very comprehensive. But as you can see, this strays away from horse accessories at one point. And this is just becomes a general blog post about horses. And I actually finally found a good use case for AutoGPT. I tried this with the gold mode, and it took 30 minutes and a lot of credits or tokens, and it's just hit a wall. But Agent GPT was better at it. The main con of Agent GPT is that it is still not fetching real-time data from Google, but it went for a good 20 minutes, and it created like a very comprehensive list. And unfortunately, it doesn't allow you to see a summary or a file with a summary. So what you can do, and this is a very large text, so you could have just copied this, and I'll show you in a second. So this is actually a lot of words. So if we go to the word counter, we can see that this is this is 12, almost 13,000 words. So there is no way we can insert that into ChatGPT or the OpenAI playground, but I found a workaround. So there is this amazing free tool which is called PDF GPT.io. It is free and it uses your API. And using Agent GPT, you can export everything as a PDF, which I did. So it imports the whole 13,000 words. And this little prompt here will give us a complete summary of everything that Agent GPT did for, again, good 20 minutes. And now look at that. And once it's done, I'll just pause and guide you through these. So what it did, it stuck to the accessories topic. So horse track, this category can include articles on different types of horse equipment, such as saddles, halters, reins, girth, horse care, and again, not just horse care, but the one that is connected to accessories like grooming. Then you have riding apparel, again, helmets, boots, breeches, and jackets. And yeah, this is a very short summary, but this is more to the point. And while ChatGPT just went nuts and gave you like the most complete topical map, regardless of whether you're talking about accessories or not, Agent GPT, through iterative process, was able to stick to the main topic of horse accessories and suggested 4 large categories. I liked the experience, and I think that Agent GPT can be used for creating topical authority maps. So that was it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.